Boy, string bean, not bushcrafters Alliance, obviously, out here in the shine shed. Got to head down to the garden this morning. Been up since about 4:30. I'll do a little harvesting today. Tired, tired. But the first stop is we're going to try to harvest some fatwood. A lot of people call it a lot of different things. We call it fatwood, lighter wood. But this right here was sent to me by Matt Huber, a good friend of mine from Austria. Love it, love it. I've had it for years. But got us a tree down. Could be full of fatwood. We're going to find out, take the chainsaw, and try to get all we can get. Stick around, stay with me. We got a busy day ahead of us. We've already started cutting, so look. See all that? That's what we're after. Talking about some pretty stuff, buddy. Look at that. There's a lot of it. And the further we're going down, we started out up top, up yonder. And had us kind of worried. We knew it was in here. We believed it was in here, but couldn't hardly tell by the tip end. But now where this tree had failed and uprooted, and I'd say them roots right there are slap full. I'd say they are slap full. We're going to cut it as far as we can back. I already started cutting right here. So try to get as much as we can of this. That's valuable stuff. Stay with me, children. We're just getting started. Look at that. That is pure fatwood. That's what you're looking at. Amazing. I'm telling you. Look at that. Beautiful. And what you do is you find you a tree that has been down, preferably dry. Now we'll have to dry this. We'll have to put it in a place where it'll dry. You don't have to worry about running the fuel out of it. You might run some of the sap or the condensation or whatever might be in that wood where it's laid here, but you won't do nothing with that right there. I'm telling you, it's in there for the duration. It's in every grain. But harvest all you can if you can find it. God, that's strong. I smell it. It's strong. I'm telling you, pure fuel. And when you light this up, it puts off a black smoke. Excellent. What you look for is just a damage. See that damage right there? It's right there. I done that right there, obviously, but that damage right there, it's trying to heal itself. And it sends that resin, and it hardens, crystallizes, and it saturates that wood. That's what you're after right there. Look for that damage. See how red that is? Yeah, that's what we're talking about. We ended up with a pretty good haul. Look at this. It's every bit fatwood. Every bit of that. I even collected the shavings. Dry them shavings out. Mix that with just a little sprinkle of that in a cotton ball and some Vaseline. Hey, no matter where you go on this planet, you got fire. Yeah. Woo! We're gonna come back. I'm gonna catch up on the gardens today. Way behind on the lower garden. We're gonna come back and we're not leaving that. No. No. Let's head to the garden. Well, we had some corn that was ready. Some of it lacking just a little bit, and some of it lacking quite a bit. And that was due to the replants. Now, having said that, the bees are still working it. Okay, stay with me just a minute. Let's talk common sense. I put out 87 tomato plants. Someone made a comment, said, 87 tomato plants? What in the world are you thinking? I'm a paranoid pessimistic from one extreme to the other. Just be honest. If I've got 87 tomato plants and only 20 do good, I pretty much got 20 plants is all I got, right? Pretty much, right? Right. I would rather have to deal with too many tomatoes, because 1,000 ways to make a tomato, from paste to salsa. Now, having said that, if you've got 87 tomato plants and only 20 of them produce, you've got 20 tomato plants. Huh? So I picked probably about 12 tomatoes altogether in the past week or so. Gave a few away. Took a few home. But today I picked probably 7. And out of those 7, I got to keep 3. The rest of them are rotting on the vine. Not on the ground now, on the vine. Show you. These are ones I was able to save. I put them in the window and I'm finished ripening. About 65 ears of corn. So today's corn day and pickle pepper day. And I'll prep those cucumbers there for relish. Sweet relish. Dill relish. Now, having said all that, let's get back to the tomatoes. When you have this kind of weather, okay, you have humid days, a lot of heat, and then rain that same day. Sometimes you'll have rain in the morning and temperatures jump up to 90 or better with high humidity that same day. What that does, that causes that tomato to saturate. That's what it does. Doesn't ripen. Very seldom does any of them ripen when they do that. But they saturate. And split open. And rot on the vine. Nothing you knew about it. Just have to look at them. I mean, you know. Trying to find one. Maybe close to getting ripe. Stay with me just a minute now, children. That's it. See that little jewel right there? Yeah. I'm hoping that the heat comes and stays to let me harvest tomatoes, because right now the issue is they're rotting on the vine. That's the issue. Nothing you can do about it. Anything in this world you can do about it. That's part of it. But some of them is rotten green on the vine. They swelled out huge, saturated, and rotten on the vine. You're not even getting the opportunity to ripen. That's a good one. If it doesn't rot on the vine. I have to believe I see one rotting on the vine right here. Yep. Yep, there it is. Right on the vine, buddy. See? Right on the vine, buddy. Right on the vine. They swell up, essentially. See, there's a corn back here. They swell up and eventually just split. There's another little jewel right there. I'm hoping it makes it. They're tied up good, see? See how I got them tied up? I got them weaved in, see? See that weave method right there? They're weaved in, so they're nowhere near the ground. But it is what it is, you know? Nothing you can do about it. And for those of you wondering why you sucker corn, that's why you sucker corn. See right there? It's a leech. That's a leecher. See that little fella right there? He took away from that little corn. Sorry about the noise and the rattling and moving and wiggling and all that other crap. Just aggravated, I guess. See how my tomatoes are doing? They're trying to ripen, but they're not getting the opportunity to because they're rotting on the vine. Upsetting. Somebody said, well, why in the world did you plant 87 tomato plants for? That's why, buddy. That's not full. Get out of here. We got work to do. I don't want my corn to get tough. I'd rather pull it just a little early. Just a little early. And deal with some loss. And it not being quite as full as for it to be tough. I let my green beans get nice and fat and full. I don't want them tough. I'll eat one every day when I think they start to make about ready to pick. So, but it is what it is. You see, a lot of times when you grow a garden, you think, well, I'm going to do this, or I'm going to do that, or I'm going to do this, or I'm going to do that. I thought that was a pack saddler. Whew. You know what a pack saddler is, look it up. Anyway, a lot of times you think you got big plans, going to do this, that, hope this. You don't know what's going to happen. Weather, critters, health, a lot of things play a part in being able to harvest a good harvest when time comes. So, I have to hope for the best. I'm just worried about my tomatoes. Boy, string bean, Mountain Bush Crafters lines. Always go far, stay longer. Hey, I'll catch you. It's about that time. About that time. Hope you stay with me now. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching.